How long may I wait for you?
Sorry, I'm gonna talk to Virgin them.
Hey, you see that girl Samantha? She tell everybody say you're an RD. That funny, don't it? Like you could have watched she. She not even look cute, right? So you just skin off your teeth and look for me so far. You can't chat. I'm to you. You ready, Anthony?
No, you're so concerned about who like me. You have something you want to tell me, Octavia? I'm to you. I drop me that make you know.
I wonder if you could ask your mother because I stay over in the house tonight. My mother have problem.
I'm not worry again. Well, how come every minute you're not in a things, eh? Your mother seems so nice.
Nice. I feel like she hate me. She always blame me for everything. Like I'm my fault, my father left or something. I don't even know. Not even my fault. I not even meet the man to even know. It's like every time she see me, she see him or something and she take it out on me. Sometimes I feel like I just run away. I swear. Whoa, no, this is not a good idea, Anthony. This is not. No, we can't do this.
Oh, really, Octavia? You seem to enjoy it?
This is so weird. I think we should just go home. Lyra, is this your place? Oh my god, it's so beautiful and big.
Yeah, but it new, so don't expect much. Still have to buy more furniture. Oh, no.
What the hell she a do here?
Yo, relax now, we are going so far. So you make the girl run off because you're going like it on a sense.
I don't want to hear one nothing what you say.
So why you opening your feelings for?
You really don't get it.
If me not get it, explain it to me then, no?
That's what you're supposed to be our thing. Our thing. I don't even know what I waste my time for. Don't bring nobody here. This is supposed to be for me and you, nobody else. Why would you bring she here?
Well, I understand where you're at all. So if me want to bring her here, you know when you saw.
You just don't have no sense, Anthony. You don't have no freaking sense that I could bring their ears.
I understand. How want me do?
Octavia, guess who we here? We just used to Anthony have a baby. Soja, you don't sit up that? Eh? You're concerned of Anthony, best friend. We never warn you about him. Same old dog. I'm going for breed girl in the high school, going for shame. So, are you jealous, Octavia? Why you not say nothing? You like him? Of course you like him. That's why she's so vexed. That's why she not say nothing. Oh well, move on to somebody with more common sense. Because I don't know who want have picnic in high school. Anthony, you're done, Octavia. Stop worrying about him.
Yo, dog, I should say just about you. Hey, man, one baby girl. She named Annie. Yo, dog, your parents not gonna kill you, man. You breed girl in high school. You a killer, you know. Well, my parents them so migrate called Canada, so me go there with my auntie. And I think it really go bother them still. Them don't even pay me no much mind anyways. Me never breed a girl. My mother would have killed me. No lie. Those girl that I breed for you. After you get a girl, until the regional girl is a beer woman him have. All I want activity. And she must be vexed. When you close Anthony, me swear things say on the day. No man, Octavia no care what me want do. I like her still. But me not time for her wait for her for like me back, you know what I mean? She cute still, you know. Me can page her if you don't want her dead. Octavia not go on you. Anthony Octavia, she just not say it. But him don't breed the next girl. But if you want to try your luck, go on. When me don't check on you. I get she stuck up bad. I'm not sure if she stuck up, you know. I like stush girl. So I really I start that with Octavia. I'm told man, Octavia not go on. Octavia not go on. No. Trust me. She don't want me, but she don't want Uno. Yo, what going? You not talk to me still? Come on, Octavia, you can't still vex with me. I'm your best friend. You want to come over my house today? My mother cook your favorite curry goat. Come on, Octavia, talk to me, no man. Home to you. Please talk to me, Octavia. Me your friend from where in a basic school. You can't still vex with me. I don't even know what I'm do. Come on, talk to me, no man, Octavia. Home to you. I like the silent treatment, you know. You know, I rate you, man. Come on. Get over where you deal with no man and just talk to me. My friend. Why you vex for? Just tell me. I don't think say that if me bring a girl to that spot there. Why you like me and you not tell me or something? Are you sure take that thing as serious than what it is? Why you vex you me read the girl? Why you think me either come and get somebody pregnant in high school? You can tell me, you know me not hold grudges or anything. Octavia, come on, no man, just talk to me, no man, Octavia. You look perfect. I wanna host you much, you look you sexy, man. So, I wanna stay here, be my wife, I'll be pitting them. Anything when you want me to do it, Leroy. Really like you.